Welcome back to the next question. Here the condition is given. Find the number of ways of selecting 11 members of a cricketing from seven batsmen and 6 bowlers, at least 2 wicket keepers, so that it contains minimum wicket keepers is given by 2 and minimum condition for bowlers is 4. Minimum condition for bowlers is 4. Okay, now coming to the solution. Right here, first I am writing given data. First, batsmen are given. Batsmen, total how many batsmen are there? Here we have 7 batsmen and bowlers. Total how many bowlers we have? Here we have 6 and wicket keepers. Here wicket keepers are given by 2 and team. And team of how many players? 11 players. Okay, na? So this is given by, for this I am making a table. A condition is there, compulsory 2 wicket keepers we need. Okay, and 4 bowlers are there minimum. So here condition for this, coming here 2 plus 4 will go 6. So here we can write 5 batsmen. So here condition is for this one, total 7 batsmen are there. Out of 7 I am taking 5 batsmen. Total 6 bowlers are there. Out of 6 I am taking 4. So that is nothing but 6C4. And total 2 wicket keepers are there. I am taking 2 wicket keepers. Okay, now. So now 2 wicket keepers common for all. Here bowlers I am increasing. Here I am taking 5 bowlers. And if you take 5 plus 2, 7. 7 in the sense here batsmen will be decreased like this 4. So here coming team is of, out of 7 batsmen I am taking 4, 7C4. Out of 6 bowlers I am taking 5 bowlers, so that is in 6C5. And 2 wicket keepers I am taking 2 wicket keepers. Next here again 2 wicket keepers are same. I am increasing 1 more bowler. 6 bowlers I am taking, right? If you take 6 plus 2, 8. Batsman goes to 3. So here the condition for this is 7 batsmen are there. I am taking 3, 7C3, and 6 bowlers are there. I am taking 6 bowlers, and 2 wicket keepers are there. I am taking 2 wicket keepers. So here total chances is equals to, I need to add this last column. So that is 7C5 into 6C4 into 2C2 plus 7C4 into 6C5 into 2C2 plus 7C3 into 6C6 into 2C2. This is the final answer of this question. Okay, now go for next question. Right, here the question is like this. This is question number 12. So here question is given by, find the number of ways of forming a committee of 5 members. In that 6 Indians are there and 5 Americans are there. So that Indians will be the majority in the committee. This one we need to remember. Indians will be the majority in the committee. Okay, na? So for this one we can write solution. Right. So here I am taking first Indians, and next Americans, next to team. Okay, so here Indians, here we have Indians are 6, next Americans are 5. Here we need team of 5 members, right? So here for this one we have one allegation. That allegation is what given by Indians will be the majority. Majority in the sense I am taking 3 Indians, here 2 Americans. So 3 plus 2 will goes to 5. So out of 6 Indians I am taking 3. So that is 6C3 into 5C 2 ways. That is one chance. And I am increasing one more Indian here. 4 Indians, 1 American. So here condition goes to 6C4 into 5C1. Next I am increasing one more Indian, 5 Indians, and Americans I am taking 0. So here the condition is 6C5 into 5C0. Right? Here in Americans there is no condition. Only here we need to take Indians are in the majority condition. Okay. So here total answer goes to 6C3 into 5C2 plus 6C4 into 5C1 plus 6C5 into 5C0. So this is the answer for this question. Okay, na? Right. Now we can go for next question. Right. 13th question this is. So 13th question is also same model. Find the number of ways of forming a committee of 5 persons, group of 5 Indians. Here total we need 5 persons, group of 5 Indians and 4 Russians, such that at least 3 Indians. So here at least 3 Indians are in the committee. Same just now we did. Instead of Americans, here we have Indians. Okay, na? Now this question you can leave it as homework, or you can do it as homework. Okay. This question goes to homework. Same just now we did. Based on that, this question goes to homework. Next question number 14. Here the question is like this. Out of 7 gents and 5 ladies, how many 6 members committees can be formed such that at least 3 ladies in the committee? So total 7 gents are there, 5 ladies are there, 6 members committee we need, right? In that there will be 3 members, 3 ladies should be there in that. Okay, na? Now solution for this. So here I am taking gents and ladies and committee. Okay, na? Alright. So here total gents we have 7 gents we have, and 5 ladies we have. Committee is of 6 members. Okay, na? Right. So here allegation is there, minimum 3 members are there in the committee ladies. So here I am taking 3 ladies. Here I am taking. Here if you take 3 ladies, gents goes to 3. Gents goes to 3. So here I am taking 3 ladies. Right. So here out of 7 gents I am taking 3 gents, that is in 7C3 into 5 ladies I am taking 3 ladies, that is nothing but 5C3. Okay, that is the first condition. And I am increasing the ladies conditions. Here I am taking 4 ladies. Here gents are 2. So here answer goes to 7C2 into 5C4. 5C4. Next, here I am increasing one more lady. Here 5 ladies I am taking. Here goes to 1 gent. So the condition is in 7C1 and 5C5. Again here I can increase ladies because up to here only 5 ladies are there. I am taking up to 5 ladies. Okay. So now answer goes to total. Total is equal to 7C3 into 5C3. 7C3 into 5C3. Next plus 7C2 into 5C4 plus 7C1 into 5C5. This is the answer for this question. Okay, na? Right. we can go next question.